Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to sell USDT on Bybit. Here, I will guide you step by step through the process. So the first step is at the top, you have the option of buy crypto. Just go there, then this will pop up. Here you have the option of P2P trading. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have two options, buy and sell. You just need to tap on sell. Then here you need to select the coin which you want to sell. So here I select USDT, then select the currency of your country. Once you've done all these steps, then here you have the option of all payment methods. Just click on it. My account is not verified yet, but once you click on all payment methods, you can see all payment methods will appear on your screen. Then choose payment method, choose your country currency and choose the coin which you want to sell. Once you've done all these steps, then here you have some peoples whom you want to sell your USDT coin. Like you can see this one. Here you can see this red button in which you can see sell USDT is written. Just tap on it. Once you click on it, you can sell your USDT to them and they will pay you. So this is very simplest and easiest way to sell USDT on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.